All right. So when we have a compound inequality, so basically the saying is, find the values of x and graph their solution that is going to be greater than or equal to 1, but less than or equal to 4. So you can even think of them like on a number line, like what would be the solutions that would kind of, make this equation true. But basically, this is what we call an and inequality. So whenever you have this compound inequality, we have 1 has to be less than or equal to 3x minus 5, and 3x minus 5 has to be less than or equal to 4. So now, all I'm basically going to do is just use my inverse operations to solve. So I'm going to add a 5. I have 6 is less than or equal to 3x, divide by 3, divide by 3. 2 is less than or equal to x. And a lot of times it's a little bit easier to rather write it like this, just to say x has to be greater than or equal to 2. Then this one, I'm going to add a 5. 3x is less than or equal to 9. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is less than or equal to 3. So now let's go to our number line. Okay, so we have x is greater than or equal to 2. So let's put 2 here and let's put 3 here, right? There's no integer in between them. So let's just go x has to be greater than or equal to 2. Well, here's greater than or equal to, oh wait, was that supposed to be, I meant for that to be less than. Let's just change the answer or change the problem. There we go. Now let's just forget that was there. So remember, when it's less than or equal to, that's what we're going to call a closed circle. So all values that are greater than or equal to 2 is going to be values to the right. But when I have x is less than 3, 3 is not included. Like 3 is not less than 3. So I'm going to use an open circle. And this is saying all x values that are less than 3. Well, that's going to be all the values to the left. Now, this compound inequality, again, is this and. That means that they both have to be true, right? So you can see that the only portion where both these equations are true is from 2 to 3, including 2, but not including 3. So the answer is going to be from 2 to 3. And sometimes, just write it like that.